Murder Creek. Flooding's getting bad. It's getting all the way up here into the park. It's getting terrible. Jeez. Oh, this ain't good. Huh, look how deep it is right here. Wow. It's usually all the way down there, and it came all the way up here.
Remember those big old huge rocks?
Yeah, they're just right under the water.
Usually they stick way up there.
Wow, here at the bridge.
Well, look how fast it's moving, Philip.
Jeez.
Look how fast. Can you imagine getting caught in that current?
Man, it'd be a fun kayak trip. Wow. All the way, almost up to the bridge. Pretty bad. Wow. Wow.